Alright, Language Explorer. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So assure, and ensure. So assure, to reassure, to get rid of doubts about something. I reassure you it will work. I reassure you it will work. I need to assure them so they don't leave. If they have doubts, they'll leave. I assure you that they will know what the message says. We try to assure them, but they're always worried. I don't know how else I can assure him, because he is scared and they might leave early. But ensure, to make sure something will happen. My plans will ensure that I can achieve my goals. I will ensure he gets the message. Yes, make sure that it happens. I will make sure that it happens. Yes, you can ensure it with me. I will do it. Yeah, how cool is that? They want to ensure you that the postal system is working fine. They want to demonstrate and show you that it can be done. I will ensure that it works. I will make sure that it works. Yes. Very good. Very good. Sure. Yes. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. So, how cool is that? I assure you that they know what they are doing. They are going to ensure that they get the job done for you. Yeah. Yeah. They want to ensure that you win the competition, so they will help you. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah, assure and ensure. So can you use these words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.